Welcome you to another tutorial of Etap. In this video, we will learn how to cater under voltage issue. For this purpose, I have made a very simple SLD having a generator, a power transformer, transmission line, step-down transformer, and a lump load. So let's go through from the specifications. I have taken an 8 megawatt generator having 33 kVA terminals, power transformer that transforms 33 kV to 66 kV, and it is of 10 MVA, and then transmission line I have used 10 miles, and I have used penguin conductor from T&D book for phase conductors and as well as ground conductors. Go through the configuration. Step-down transformer that is stepping down 66 kV to 11, and I have used typical data for this window. And finally a lump load, which is 80% motor and 20% static. So you can draw your own SLD in this way. Let's run the load flow on it. It has several issues. Some are under critical range and some and one error is in marginal range. So bus 3 and 4 are under voltage and generator 1 is overexcited and bus 2 is under voltage. You can understand it like there should be 66 kV at bus 3, but it is 61.827, so it's not operating 100%, and the MVAR's limit for generator was 4.959 MVAR, but the load is drawing 5.084 MVAR. So first we will cater under voltage issue, and in the next video we will cater the overexcitation issue. Practically, to resolve under voltage issue, AVRs are installed at the HT side of transformers. So we will follow the same technique. This is my step down transformer. So providing tapping here, and this one is my power transformer, providing the tapping. Now let's test again. So the issue with bus 2 and bus 4, which was actually critical, has been resolved. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, share it, and give us a subscription. Thank you.